Isn't it just, like, don't you just lift it up and it clicks?
That's what I was under the impression of. Here, you grab that. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What was that? Is it hard to put it together?
Just click.
Oh, don't step on it. Don't step in it. You're gonna break it.
I just need them to click.
Oh no. Oh my god.
No clicking.
I think people specifically told me, you just pull it out and click. Okay, wait.
This is just.
Oh, okay. So look, it starts with click. Okay, yeah. So just click that. Just. What was that?
I'm good.
What'd you click?
What did I click?
Was that a break?
No, it wasn't a break.
Okay. Why is this so difficult? Oh, we're such newbies. Push down. Is that thing pushed down?
Maybe we do this. I have an idea.
Why is this? Oh my god. Okay, so this is still happening. We have still not clicked nothing, actually. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to laugh, but... Click, click, and push down. So the thing is not pushed down in the picture before you click everything.
That's why I was trying to pull it up, but I can do that easily.
Yeah, so... Oh, there! I heard a click. There, it clicked. Click. Oh my god! And that is how you set up a pack and play, ladies and gentlemen. Do not try to click before the bottom is up. Oh my god. What's going on? He's like, what is with all these new things? New furniture. Otis, what do you think about all this? This is actually what I see. I don't even see. Oh, there's my toes if I peek over.
So,
This is like the baby bump
do you want me
cam.
to set all this up? Or
Da-na-na-na.
do you get the idea, or do you want me to still set it all up?
I don't know. I kind of want to see it. Working on dinner because the thing took so long. Is it done?
Done.
It is? Oh, it's so cute.
You totally see why eyes are so, or carrots are so good for your eyes. They look like eyes.
That's because I cut them into eyes.
No, but even like
They're so good for your eyes. Oh my god! What are you doing? And that's it. That's her. We're done. What do you got to say for yourself?
I got one lucky boy. Do you want to make this in the microwave or the skillet?